uh, do correct way. That's the thing, and you have to choose between the way you want to be.
Okay. Ethics determines which action of ours is right or wrong, right?
Yes, sir.
But the determining factor is from the society.
Right, sir.
Okay. Whereas morality,
Morality is depend on ourselves, not the society.
yeah, morality also determines whether action is right or wrong. But who will be the judge of it?
Uh, the oneself who is having that.
Yeah, our conscience. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll listen. Hi, Hannah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. You attended the last class, right?
No, sir. I just attend before
The
the
first
class,
class.
first class.
Oh, okay, okay. Mm, fine. Could you recollect something?
Sir, the definition also, and the some two cases you were described
Okay.
about on the class.
Okay. Now, today's class, we are dealing with determinants of ethics. We discussed determinants of ethics, no? We were dealing with dimensions of ethics. Okay. We were discussing, no, whether which action is right, whether to save one person or to what, kill four people. The case study is there, no? But we are not able to identify, no, which action is correct or which action is wrong exactly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll see with different kind of perspectives what kind of actions people might take. Okay. Yeah. Yeah,
Sir,
we'll start in 5 minutes. We'll give some time. People might join. Okay. Anything you want to ask?
sir, how many lectures will require to complete ethics syllabus?
I see. It will be of 130 plus 120. No, 130 is of theoretical part and 120 is of what case studies. No, for initial part, it might require around 8 classes. Okay,
Okay.
7 8 classes, and rest part will take around case studies. Will take some again 7 8 classes.
Okay.
7 8 classes. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
but we should be good because understand this. This paper is the smallest in terms of what for you to cover. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you see any other syllabus, no, it will be like very humongous. But for this, you need more understanding rather than knowledge. Okay, knowledge plays a little role, and then it plays application plays a major role.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Yeah. Mhm.
Sir, could you
I,
please tell about yourself, please?
yeah, yeah. I was a graduate from an NIT, and then I started preparation in like 14, and I gave my 2 attempts, and then I was what initially with APPSC and all, and then I wrote few mains and an interview. Recently, I gave an interview. Mm, yeah, and I'm this field. I was a content writer for many other institutes, which you might know, but I might not reveal the name. Like very famous institutes, I'm working as a content developer. Yeah, that's it.
For ethics or for other subjects
No,
too?
no, I'll teach sociology and I teach ethics, and especially I'll teach almost all subjects, but I make content writing for what daily newspaper analysis and all. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
yeah, I teach at offline centers in Vizag.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, actually, I'm going to give attempt for this year,
Okay.
2022.
Okay.
So, I need few tips from you because I can't complete my daily targets. Like I have made some points or some listing that I have to cover in a day or in a week or in a month. So
Okay.
I'm not able to achieve that properly.
Okay.
Most
Can I ask you about your study plan? How do you study? Like how much time you might actually spend, and any techniques you follow?
actually, sir, I used to follow this method like one subject a day plus optional,
Okay.
and I'm currently working like that. I have to complete one subject in like 14 to 15 days, like 2 weeks.
Okay, what subjects have you covered as of now?
As of now, I have covered geography and history. Currently, I'm like about to finish history, modern history.
Okay, have you gone through this physical geography?
Yes, sir. So
uh,
mapping is about
no,
to
no, physical geography is about like
like
understand. Yeah,
understood. Yeah,
no, this is not about mapping much, but to understand the phenomena.
right.
Okay, about cyclone or this
Yes,
El Nino.
yes, sir.
Okay, La Nina, or
Yes, sir.
type of landforms,
Yes, sir.
etc.
So
Okay,
my target was to finish these subjects like in a 15 days.
but understand something. If you are writing the exam, you are writing the exam to clear mains. Mains is which will give you what, the merit list. Prelims doesn't give you merit list. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so but prelims will require what, there is a lot of competition. So for prelims, what happens is you have to focus some particular time for prelims itself. Before that, you have to be very thorough with your papers which are not there in prelims. Okay, which are like option. What is your optional?
Botany, sir.
Okay, you have to get done with your botany as soon as possible by like what, mid Jan or mid Feb. Like some part should be allocated to optional, and you have to complete ethics. Ethics is not there in prelims, no.
Yes,
You
sir.
have to get done with this. Then you have time when even after preparing for this prelims, no, you will get study. You will be studying something which is in common with mains also.
Yes, sir.
So it will give you some sense of confidence that I can be able to do it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
please share your number so that we will not waste time in this class. I can contact you.
Yeah, sure, sure. I'm actually waiting for like I'll wait for like 2-3 minutes more, and then we'll start the class. Okay.
Okay.
Shall I text in the group? Like what? Wait.
That will be fine, sir.
Yeah. Wait. I'll text everyone in this group. Hi, Mansi. Hi, Mansi. Are you there? And moreover, Anay, while studying, no, you divide your day into some blocks. Okay. Like
Yes.
what? You have to keep it as session wise. You cannot do it, sustainability, right? You have to do it not only for a day, it's like a long marathon. You have to do daily, but you shouldn't be what, tired, so that you have to keep this learning process active and happy, no, so
Yes.
that you shouldn't strain your brain so much. For that, you have to use some techniques for studying. Do you know this something called Pomodoro?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You have we have to take a few minutes break after.
Yeah, in that few minutes break, you can keep a small little exercise, or you can recapitulate whatever you learned in the past session.
Yes.
Okay, but
Yes.
the next like 25 minutes or 50 minutes should be like what, completely focused. Keep it like
Yes.
2 hours to 3 hours in one stretch, so that you can what, spread around 3 sessions. Maybe 3 sessions will be good. Like 9 hours is a good enough reading for the initial stage. And during when you get habituated to it, you will enjoy this reading, and then you will spend more time. Like it will get up to 12 during the what, pre-exam. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Anything you want to ask, Mansi? Hi, Mansi. Yeah, yeah. You didn't attend last class, right? Okay, cool. Yeah. Are we good to go? Can I get an S in the tab? Mansi, you're in the class last week, like in the second class. Can you tell me some dimensions of ethics? Not determinants, dimensions. Guys, I'll give you a quick recap about dimensions of ethics, till which we have covered. Okay. Yeah. Guys, one of you have to unmute. Maybe I think I'll choose Anay for this time, so that the class will be interactive. Or Hannah, anyone is fine. Yeah, Anay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, we have seen that ethics is varying from place to place, from person to person, right?
Right.
And many factors, these are changing. Okay. Now we want to understand different dimensions of it, like what different angles in which this is happening. Okay. Now, in this, guys, I would recommend you to keep a pen and paper next to you or something where you can type these things. Okay, little I will give you notes anyhow, but it will be easy to what remember. Now, any of you can remember what are the determinants, because we have already been through it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The determinants of ethics are generally like what? Person, place, law, organization, religion and philosophy, time. Can you recall something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right? Yeah, Hannah.
It was
Good.
described in the first class.
First class, right? And then we have gone through this dimensions of ethics. Okay. In this, there are something called meta ethics, descriptive ethics, normative ethics, and applied ethics. Okay. What is meta ethics? In meta ethics, you generally hear this word, no? Meta. Facebook started this meta, no?
Yes, sir.
Meta. What
It
any
is,
can?
it is about ethics. About ethics means ethics in itself.
Meta is we are examining in meta ethics. We try to understand what is the origin of it. How did this come to humans first? However we are there on this earth, we try to understand. No, that is metaphysical understanding. Okay. In the same way, meta ethics, we understand how that this ethics existed in the society. How did it come from? Like how gravity came. We don't know. We try to understand it. No, in the same way, we try to understand how did it come. Okay. In the same way, there is something called descriptive ethics. Okay. It deals with people's belief about what is morally right or wrong. Okay. If some person is thinking something is morally right or something is morally wrong, we will try to understand why he is thinking that is right and why he is thinking that is wrong. Okay. That is descriptive ethics. Okay. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Anay? Yeah. In the same way, there is something called normative ethics. Okay. Normative, what are norms? There are something called values and norms. No, there are some norms we do daily. Okay, if someone touches a book with their leg by by mistake, what you will do?
We will do the namaskaram to that particular.
We'll do that namaskaram. How that is a norm? Did someone tell that to do to you to do it?
No, sir.
We do it. No, that is a norm. We are
Yes.
doing it as a norm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll understand. See, that is normative ethics is something like we always face some kind of dilemma where it will say like this is what you have to do. See, there is some ideal character should be there. Be like him. Will it will say no. Whenever you're in doubt, be like Krishna, be like Arjuna. These things will come. No, like what? Follow their principles. Or Chanakya Niti. You might get this news feed. No, what Chanakya Niti is there? Kautilya's Ardhasastra and Chanakya Niti.
Yes, sir.
It will say how you have to lead your life, what kind of wife is better for you, how you should deal with international relations. You have seen them in newsfeed or somewhere,
Yes, sir.
right? No, those are normative ethics. It will tell you, but it will not say why. It will tell you something, do this, but it will not say why. Okay. Descriptive ethics is it will try to understand why someone is doing this. Okay. Meta ethics is will understand what is the origin of it, what is the root of it. Okay. Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the similar way, there is something called applied ethics. In this applied ethics, it involves examining specific controversial issues related to the ethics in society. We will understand, is abortion good or bad? Anay, Hannah, Mansi, is abortion good or bad?
Sir,
it depends on the situation.
Okay.
No,
Some
sir.
people.
Actually, I think it is bad.
Okay. Now, someone is saying, see, this is in this class itself, we are having two different groups. So someone will say this is bad, someone will say this is good. Okay. In the complete world itself, there is a debate on this, because there are some countries like what Ireland, and there are some countries which are very religious, where religiosity is very high, and where abortion is prohibited. Now, understand this case when there is a complication in the childbirth.
Right, sir.
Okay, then abortion is good or bad?
Good, sir.
See, the parameters are changing, no? You understand? Initially, see, the same question, someone said bad, no? Like Hannah. Now the complication is there where mother can die. Now, what would you say?
It's good that mother should live and that unborn baby should be aborted.
Okay. In the similar way, there are states which will not allow what? Even at that case also, it will not allow abortion.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
there is a controversy, no? It will discuss why it is good, why it is good, bad. In the same way, same-sex marriage. Some people will say good, some people will say bad. These are
Right.
like larger issues for which we will apply different type of ethics, through which we understand what should be the course of action some nation should follow.
Yes.
Okay, some countries should follow.
Yes.
Okay,
Right, sir.
got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, have you ever heard of this word, something called virtue ethics? Hannah, I have already told you, no? There is something called virtue ethics. You are there, no?
No, sir. The last class I was not present, so I
Okay,
missed.
Mansi was there. I think Mansi is there. Mansi, have you heard of this sort? Virtue ethics? Virtue ethics. Have you heard of this word? अगर पेड़ अच्छा है तो उसका फल अच्छा है. If the
Yes,
tree is
sir.
good, yes, right. In the similar
Like
way,
mother, if mother is good, then child must be good. Or
yeah, something like that, no? Now, in the similar way, whenever there is a movie, in movies, always hero, how do you see it? Whatever the action he does, would you appreciate it or not?
always follow the right way. The
You
white
think that
path.
hero is always right?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Violence is wrong or bad, right? Violence.
Wrong,
Right.
sir.
But still hero commits violence.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
But still you see that what hero is good, because you'll think that he has some virtues.
Protocol.
He is a person, as a person he is good. That is the reason why whatever the actions he take is good, are good.
Yes, sir.
In the movie, sometimes what he tries to do many things, no? Like what he might lie in the movie, he might have a cheating during the movie, and then he'll get corrected. You might have seen many movies, no, on this notion also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, he might tease, but even then you'll take it in a lighter note, and you'll think that whatever he does you'll take it in a good way, because there are something called, this is virtue ethics. When we associate a person's character as good, irrespective of the action what he has done, we'll always evaluate him as good. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then there are something called cardinal values, cardinal virtues. Okay. Cardinal is, what is cardio?
From heart.
Cardio is heart. Okay. Something is called core values, core virtues. If someone is having these virtues, no, we associate them to be what? Having good character. Okay. If those are wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice. Okay. Now, what is wisdom?
Related with truth, something.
Okay. Now, if person who is wisdom, no, he'll take course of action in a situation in an appropriate time. Like what? वो समझदार है. He'll know what kind of action he should do. He's having knowledge and he knows how to utilize it. Whether will you respect a person with high knowledge, high wisdom, or with a dumb person?
Right, sir.
You'll always believe, if a person is wise, whatever his action is right or wrong, you believe there might be some other reason, but that is the reason why he is doing this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the same way, there is something called courage. What is courage?
Bravery, sir.
bravery is a quality. Okay, bravery is a quality. Agar see, brave is like without any cause also will be like very what you'll move forward, you'll try to confront. Okay, if you have bravery, then only you can display courage. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir, to fight against any challenge.
yeah,
That
to
is
fight
courage.
any challenge, even during uncertainty. See, if there is a complete dark place, okay, you see this booth movies, no, where hero will enter into that he will only open the gate of that what booth
Yes.
bangla,
Right.
because no one will dare to do it because of uncertainty. Heroes doesn't matter what whether it is uncertain or whatever happens, he will see dekha jayega. Yes or no?
Yes. Right.
He is displaying courage there. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And temperance is like what? Temptation, desires ka temptation hota hai na, usko
Yes.
he will control the temptation, he will balance the desires. That is temperance. Okay. And justice is being fair and right. Okay. You saw Dabang movie?
Yes. Yes, sir.
In that, hero will able to what hero will be even punishing his own brother
Yes. Or
because
just
he committed some mistake.
right.
Okay. Now he is being fair and right, you believe, not showing any impartiality, not showing any partiality. Then you associate that he is having some good virtues. Generally, in any kind of movies, heroes will be shown with these kind of virtues, these cardinal virtues. That is the reason why you will not doubt why this person is good or bad. You will always think any movie, any hero in that character, you always associate that this person is good
Yes.
at the end of the climax.
Right, sir.
Okay. Yeah. And the other side characters are villains, will be lacking this cardinal virtues. Yeah. Okay. Now, there is something called deontology. What is deontology? Any idea? Mansi, are you able to hear? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Deon. The word deon means duty. Okay. Do your duty. Only focus on your actions. Okay. Whether this action is right or wrong, that is what it matters. Outcome doesn't matter. Okay. Now, we have seen this case study, where a person should push one person in front of the trolley. Right? Hannah, you remember? In order to save four.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pushing someone and killing someone is not your duty.
Yes, sir.
Here, your action is important, not the outcome. Outcome is what? Saving four persons. Okay. Your action is what? Pushing one person. Your action is here, your action is pushing someone is wrong. Yes or no? You will not push someone, no? If someone is standing, you want to push in front of train, you will not do it morally. Okay.
Yes.
And then if that is wrong, now your action of pushing someone is only matters. Here the evaluation point will be of what is your action? Is from this point of view, pushing a person to save four persons is wrong. Okay, got my point? In this deontology only, there are something called categorical imperative. Okay, categorical imperative is given by Immanuel Kant. Remember, this was a question at 1 year. Okay. Now, one must act only according to that maxim, which is rational and should become a universal law. Did you get anything? Should I repeat?
Yes, sir. Please repeat.
Okay. Yeah, I know I should repeat. I will tell you the meaning of it, to be precise. Okay. Jhoot bolna is rational or not? See, violence is there. Okay. If you kill someone, if you beat someone, what will happen? Everyone, if violence is allowed, it's completely in the society, no law and order. Okay. Then what will happen? Everyone will do it, no?
Yes. Yes.
Will you have peace?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You're always scared what will happen. You're very uncertain. Your life becomes very dangerous. Like this, you have seen the Squid Game? Okay, fine, it's okay. Where everyone is beating each other. In the society, existing will become very tough. Okay. Now, out of rationality, you will not choose to hit someone because you are scared that someone will hit you back, and then what? Some stronger person will only survive. That will happen. No, that is the reason you will not resort to violence. No, without
Right.
any reason.
Right,
Now,
right.
you understand that violence is bad, non-violence is good. Now, maxim is something. When you understand something is right, you have to keep doing it again and again. Okay, at one situation you should remain silent and non-violent, and it will ask you to be non-violent at the maximum cases. That is the reason why even if they get angry, people will try to what? Control it.
Right.
They know this non-violence is good, not what? Non-violence is good and violence is bad.
Right.
Okay, in the same way, what will you think? What if you lie? If everyone starts lying in this world, then your life will turn into misery. No, if you ask someone for direction, he'll randomly say some wrong address. Everyone is telling you wrong information.
Right.
You will also tell wrong information for everyone.
Mhm.
Then what will happen? What will happen to the society? You understand that is not what? Logical. Rational is being logical. मतलब दिमाग से सोचेंगे तो क्या? You will find it what? That is not good at all. So you will maximize what? Telling truth and minimize telling lies. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I give you a chance, okay, you have like what? No problem of it. Like no consequence is there if you tell lie or truth. Okay, many people will only choose to what? Tell
Yeah.
the truth because they're conditioned. No, like what? Yeah, see, the society will always ask you to tell truth because they believe this is a rational way of living. That is why they want to maximize it.
Yes. What did you say?
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, there is something called Gandhian ethics. Okay. What does Gandhi focus on? What is the meaning of truth according to Gandhi? Mansi, any idea?
Following the way of peace.
No. Truth is not satyagraha. There is something called satya. Satya is like what? For you, there is something which is true. For me, there is something called true. Both of ours, whatever we consider true could be same or it could be different. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. If there is a coin, I say it has heads. Okay. You might see it from the tails. I might not see the tails. Okay. I would always say that what? Only heads is there for coins. That is true for me because I only saw those sides of it. You could only have seen the side of tail. You would say what? I have seen only tails. The coins are only made up of tails. Okay. Now, for your perspective, it is true or not? From my perspective, what heads is also true, no?
Right, sir.
Okay, guys, give me a second. Give me just 1 second.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, sorry guys. One of my offline student wants to join the class. So
It's okay, sir.
yeah. Yeah. Now, what is a satyagraha?
Satyagraha is supporting or insisting the truth.
Yeah, insisting the truth, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
So it is about soulful force against all injustice in our society.
what is soulful force? You got it. You got to my point. Okay. Soulful source. Matlab kya? Soul is what? Antaratma.
Yes, sir.
Antaratma is what I said? CON. Something starts with CON.
Consciousness.
Conscience.
Some conscience. You got to a point, conscience, right? Whatever your conscience says and it believes truth is Satya according to Gandhi. Got my point?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, according to this conscience, you will choose which is right and which is wrong. Okay. And you should only follow the things which your conscience will say it is true. Okay. Even if your conscience says to drink something which is not acceptable, that is also what? Following Satyagraha only. I'm not saying exactly that, but what? I'm giving you an very random example, like what? To wider the spectrum of Satya. Got my point? If your conscience says something is true, you have to follow only that. That is what Gandhi recommends.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the reason why, according to Gandhian ethics, okay, means are as important as ends. Matlab, ye deontology also it seems the same thing. No, the means are nothing but actions. Actions and means are same. Okay, the means are equally important as consequences. Matlab, outcome जो भी है, outcome you cannot overweight outcome. Your actions and the ways you are doing it is also important. Okay, that is the reason why he says truth and non-violence are non-negotiable. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, we have seen deontology, right?
Right, sir.
In this deontology, there is one more thing, which is called Niskam Karma. Everyone might have known this.
Yes.
Niskam Karma. What is Niskam Karma? Krishna, hint also I gave.
I know
Mansi,
this, sir. I know the only shlok. Karmanyavadharikaraste.
This is what recommended in what? Recommended in
Deontology.
not only deontology, in your preparation. Okay. And also, Virat Kohli says this. Ronaldo says this.
Like action, we must follow the action, not and we don't have to expect its outcome.
Yeah. Do your duty without any expectations.
Right.
Of the fruits. Okay. Do your duty without any expectation of the fruits.
Right.
Got my point?
Yes, sir.
This is Niskam Karma. This is also a type of deontology, you know.
Right, sir.
These are the three major schools of deontology. Okay. Categorical imperative is you have to maximum rational thought. Matlab, your rationality will decide whether it is right or wrong. If your rationality decides that it is right, you have to do it multiple times. You have to keep it doing on as many times as possible. कितना हो सकता है उतना करो वो, ठीक है? Now, in Gandhian ethics, means are important as ends. Means and truth and non-violence are non-negotiable. Okay.
Right.
And here truth is what you know and believe to be true. What your conscience says true is truth. Okay.
Right.
And now Nishkam Karma.
Nishkam, like selfless deed or something.
Okay. Selfless deed. Okay. Nishkam Karma is like do your actions, but do not expect any what. Focus only on your duty, not on its results.
Right, sir.
Okay. Okay. And there is something called consequentialism or teleology. What is this? Any guess? Please give a guess. Good one. See,
Like, sir, share market.
what share market? Can you elaborate, please? An example.
Like, we are investing money
Mm.
to get profit only.
Okay, but I
We
wouldn't.
don't want losses. We want profits.
But
So,
sometimes you want to balance the risks also, no?
yes, sir, but in the majority times we want profit. That's why we are investing in it.
Some better example from the case study which we discussed. Hi Priya, are you there?
Exams, sir, exams.
Exams. What?
We are giving exams to get selected.
Okay, but you don't, irrespective of the method you want only selection, huh? Like you want to get even cheating, anyhow, irrespective of cheating, whatever it is, you want to get selected. That's it. If you can give bribe of 1 crore and then if you have a chance of getting selected, you want to do it. Huh?
That can be possible, but no one give 1 crore rupees to get selected in exam. I think.
I'm just asking, like
Yeah,
for
yeah.
example.
I think
Okay,
this is the
but
one example I thought.
yeah, teleology or consequences means your main focus is what? Your जो भी outcome है, the final outcome is there. You have your focus is only on that, irrespective of the matter what it is. In deontology, what we said, the action is important. While pushing a person from that bridge in order to save 4 people, we save lives of 4 people instead of 1 people. In process, you might pull, your action might be wrong, but still you are doing the same action because the outcome is what? Outcome is saving 4 people. Okay, in the same way, Ane, there is nothing wrong in, you see, in the according to consequentialism, even if you are doing making it corruption, but in the end outcome you are getting something what, which is more beneficial. Okay, your outcome is there, then according to that it is correct. According to this the dimension, it is correct.
Right.
See, you might want to give a what death certificate to a old person, okay, died person, okay, and then she is waiting for many months, maybe for example, to get this death certificate of her husband. Okay, now there is a chance that what happens is somehow the document of her husband is missing. Now, if according to deontology, what you will do, you will say in this process this document is missing, so I cannot give you the death certificate.
Right.
Even if you know that the husband is dead, even if he is your neighbor, according to deontology, you will not give them the death certificate. Whereas what happens if this is in consequentialism or teleology?
You will easily give the certificate.
You will bypass it. You will do something to cover this missing document, and then this she has to be at the receiving end of this benefits because her husband is really dead, it.
Yes.
Now what you will do, bypassing your action, okay, you'll focusing on the outcome. What you'll do, you'll give the death certificate. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here understand consequentialism, there is something no consequence ka initial words are there. And teleology, what is teleology? Wait, I'll just write. What do you see with a telescope, Mansi? Hannah?
Sir, it is a type of glass used in a machine.
What do you see
can
there? You
Far,
see the
far,
farthest thing
far.
possible, no?
Yes, sir.
कितना दूर हो सकता है,
Farthest
उतना दूर
things,
देखेगा.
farthest thing seems like very near.
Yeah, right.
Yes, sir.
Not very near, but you
Sir,
are able to see the farthest thing. Here in
Sir,
any
according
human
to this
action.
teleological ethics perspective, morality of an action which is decide on the basis of outcome of the action, like
Yeah,
if
yeah.
the action outcome is good, then action is good.
Okay, okay. Here there is one more important word I want to tell you. Okay. Utilitarianism. You might have heard this. Okay. What is utilitarianism? Utility. I purchased this phone because of its utility.
Yes, sir.
You might heard this word, no? Utility.
Right.
And the same way, there is something called utilitarianism, utilitarian perspective. This is the more important perspective in terms of what? Teleology or consequentialism. Have you ever heard of this word summation? Summation. There is something like sigma.
Yes, sir.
Group of
Okay.
some things.
You'll add it, no? Here in
Yes, sir.
utilitarianism, you maximize the weight of what? Overall good. मतलब कितना लोग को मतलब ज्यादा लोग को अच्छा है, then you will do it. Okay. If there is summation of greater good, पूरा मिला के अच्छा हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा बुरा होगा तो भी क्या, बुरा को भी करेगा तू in order to get this what? Overall good. You'll wait. What is the what? Summation of overall good possible because of this action. And then you'll wait. What are the disadvantages? कितना नुकसान हो रहा है? Okay. How many people are feeling bad for this? And then on this basis, you will take action. Okay. Here, as Mansi said, we save 4 lives of people instead of 1. Here we are saving 4 lives means we are maximizing happiness. No, 4 lives and 4 families. Maximum it is extending. Okay. And then here we are sacrificing 1 life because in that action we are seeing that what? There is a utility of what? Maximum people we are able to save. Right?
Right, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay. Now, there is something which is very new. Okay. There is something called ethics of care or relational ethics. This is feminine perspective. Priya, any doubt? You want to ask something?
No, sir.
Okay. You have into this deontology, you know? Deontology and you know what is deontology, right?
Yes, sir. I have fair idea about that.
Yeah, okay, fine. Okay. There is something called ethics of care or relational ethics. Okay. This is a feminist theory. Now, in this, no, it says that morality arises out of experiences of empathy and compassion. What is empathy? We had an argument about this, empathy and compassion.
So empathy is feeling and compassion is action.
Okay. Not feeling, empathy is feeling and compassion is action. Okay. But what exactly is empathy?
Means if a person is feeling bad, we are also feeling same thing.
We are feeling someone's same emotion by keeping ourselves in their position, by like what? We are imagining that we are them. Okay. We are imagining that we are the person who is suffering. And then we get this what? Feeling of sad. If we can empathize good things also, we can what? If someone is feeling happy, we see them and we also feel happy. We celebrate some people's success. Okay. We also feel bad at someone's failure or someone's sorrow. This is empathy. Okay. Now compassion is we extend our hand to what? To show our emotion. We extend our act. Jo bhi emotion we are feeling, we'll make it into an action. Right? Okay. Now, we are discussing about applied ethics, no?
Applied ethics.
This is also one dimension which will deal whether there is what, whether some action should be permissible or not. This deals with what? Real world actions. Okay. I'll give you some examples of applied ethics. Okay. Under what conditions is an abortion morally permissible?
If a person is
We'll see. I'll give you examples and then we'll discuss in detail. Okay. Is it right to pay the users for product review? Product, if someone is reviewing, if we are paying paid reviews, वो सही है या नहीं है? Okay. Whether euthanasia should be legalized. What is euthanasia?
यूथेनेशिया इज मतलब किसी को जानबूझ के, मतलब अगर कोई इंसान मरने की हालत में है, तो उसको मरने देना चाहिए, लाइक
Is it legally allowed in India?
नो सर.
Okay, now in some countries it is legal, some countries it is not legal. Okay, now there is some people who are saying like instead of letting the people suffer, they have to choose, they can choose themselves like what, whether they want to live or not.
Right, sir.
Okay, you are saying this is right, but some people will say that what, you have no right to choose. That is the reason why it is not legal, no?
Yes, sir.
This is a concern of big matter, no? Like what, not, there are considerable people who are affected by this. There are two sides of argument for this across the world. Okay, now in order to understand whether this is a part of applied ethics or not, there are some requirements. First, we have to understand whether it is controversial or not. In order to understand whether it is applied ethics or not, we have to understand whether it is controversial or not. Controversy is what?
Sir,
Yeah.
criticism iska.
Yeah, there is significant of amount of people who are for the like what, for the motion, and some significant people for the against the motion. Okay.
Right, sir.
Okay, now murder is there. Okay, that happens in a wide scale across the world. Okay, theft is there, that happens in a wide scale. But is there any controversy against it? Everyone will say whether it is right or wrong. Straight away they can say what, murder is right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong. No, there is no doubt about it. There are no two sides of argument.
Right.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now, when in some cases this doesn't happen, it is not very clear where same-sex marriage should be allowed or not. We're in a dilemma. If we are saying that what, our nation might say that what, in our country it should not be allowed or against our cultural values, etc., etc. At the same hand, some people will say what, they should be allowed. If we are not, if we are against the motion, there are some other countries which are for the motion. Significant people are arguing, no, whether it should be allowed or not.
Yes, sir. Many people
That
are.
should be the part of applied ethics. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we have to see normative principles in applied ethics. What are normative principles? ये है ना, this Kautilya Sadhasastra, this people will say क्या क्या करना चाहिए, how the ideal person should be there. Okay, in this there are some normative principles, like what, ये pravachnas होता है ना, people will say this you should do, these things you have to consider whether before what, analyzing any applied ethics. Okay, it will say whether there is any social benefit or not. What is social benefit?
which is benefit for society.
Yeah, which is benefit for the society in overall. Okay, if there is any utilitarian principle is there, no? Priya, you heard of this utilitarianism?
I have heard about this.
Utilitarianism is like what, maximizing the good. Okay. Okay, and principle of benevolence. What is benevolence? Have you ever heard of this word called benevolence despotism?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, people used to accept king as their own leader because they always believe king has this motive of doing good to the people of the country. Matlab, even that is autocracy, matlab, he is the only leader. Even if he is having complete power, he is very responsible, he is very good as a person. That is what people used to believe. Okay, benevolence is good. Okay, benevolence is helping the people who are in need. Okay, got it? Okay. Now, and again, in this normative ethics only, we are observing normative ethics of what? Normative ethics ka principles we are using in applied ethics.
Okay.
Okay. And here we will examine principle of harm is there or not. What is principle of harm? Whether any people we are harming with these actions is important. Okay. This is the reason why section 377 has been repealed, no?
Yes, sir.
Because we are harming. Uska right is there to live, irrespective of his gender orientation. He has right to live. There is, without any authority, you are keeping a person in jail just because he is belonging to some gender, which is harming them. We thought it is not good, so we have repealed it. Now, what is gender?
So gender which society like recognizes like human. See, whether it's a male or female or
That is
third gender.
sex.
So sex in bio we recognize that. No?
Yeah,
Sex.
biologically we recognize. Gender is
Yeah.
what? Who recognizes it?
Our society, the human people in society.
Yeah, society recognizes it. What is your orientation?
Okay.
That is gender.
Mm.
Like what is your, who are you oriented towards?
Sexual
Okay, that is gender. Yeah. And now we'll understand principle of justice. Okay, in this only, it will also observe principles of justice.
So normative.
Sir,
we may can say that gender is
Hannah, your voice is
division-
breaking. Can you please repeat or type?
Yes, sir. We may can say that gender is also called as a division of any two person of by their physical structure.
That is
No.
sex.
क्या बोलते हैं? This gender is division on based on their work. Actually, it is done at the ancient time based on their work. We made a gender actually. So that is made by society. That's why gender is based on society.
See, this gender is there, no? That society gives you. Okay. This sex is there, no? That Bhagavan will give you based on your chromosomal set. Got my point?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
you are right that in a single word, we may can say that it is a sex. Gender
Yeah.
is.
We cannot exactly say. There is a blurred line which you have to understand.
So, like somewhere I read that gender is based on our work. Like female.
See, that
like,
is see. Now caste is there. Okay. Caste is based on also work initially. Okay. But now can you define the caste in the same way?
So
Now,
same.
Sir,
caste now today is ascription based on birth. If you read history, it will tell you, I was a Brahmin. My mother was a what? Was like some other caste, and my father belongs to some other caste. Okay, within same family, there are different castes.
So
Because
that
they
was
have
at the
different
initial
occupations.
phase.
Yeah. Okay.
That was at the initial phase. Yeah.
Okay. Now, but what is caste now?
So now also we are following the same thing, na?
No,
In
no,
same
no.
family, in same
Understand.
family.
That is because of intercaste marriages and all. But understand. Now, people use it to change their what?
Profession.
Caste. Use it to change their caste within their lifetimes. Okay.
Okay.
If he's born in some caste, he could get into some other caste initially. Okay. Now, caste now today is ascription based on birth. Agar ascription is like tappa, stamp on you. If you are born in some caste, for the end of your lifetime, can you change your caste?
No.
Understand? Difference. In the same way, throughout this, gender is something like your orientation. Okay. Is my voice repeating?
No, sir. It's okay.
Okay, fine. Good then. We're good to go, no?
but sir,
Yes,
we
sir.
can change our religion.
You can change your religion. Yeah. Even that doesn't change your caste certificate. Certificate wise, you might choose, but what? Generally, you will not. The society won't allow you to change. Okay. And then, you know why people has turned into Buddhism, Christianity and all?
Because of caste, sir. Because of that.
It was also a factor.
Uh,
Okay. Now, this question is there, no? Now, whether people should convert religions or what, convert into some other class. This is also an issue of what? Applied ethics. This happens in practical life, no? And there is an arguments of people will say, some people will say this is correct, some people will say this is wrong. Okay. Now we have, in these situations, we have to understand and apply some normative ethics to determine what kind of action is good or bad. Okay. Any questions?
no, sir.
Okay. Now we are done with dimensions of ethics. Okay. Now we will discuss about human values. What are values? What is a value? If I keep you what, 10 rupees on a table, 500 rupees on a table, 2000 rupees on a table. Okay. And I ask you to take anything of your choice. Okay. What would you choose? Question to all. Nancy, are you there? Deepesh?
Sir, can
Anai?
you repeat the question?
If I keep 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 500 and a 2000 on a table, okay, all kattas, like what, multiples only. Okay. Now you can take any one note from those. Okay, you are free to take. What would you choose?
Higher value, of course. 2000 rupees ka note.
Higher value. And then any other answer anyone wants to take? See, anyone will, you are taking something because you believe that has higher value. Okay. Now you believe something is morally right, some actions are right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you tend to, I try to analyze, okay, which values are more important, and based on that you will take actions. Okay. And then these values serve as a guiding principle of what people consider important in life.
Like those were at the very successful higher position.
No, see, understand, there are two values. Okay. For example, truth is there and non-violence is there. Yeah, guys. Hi, Shristi. Aitya garu, can you please mute? Hi, guys. Can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hi, Shristi. You just joined, huh?
Yes, sir. Like I finished my college exam paper at around 6:30 in the evening, so I joined just after 30 minutes.
Yeah, okay. We have been through this dimensions of ethics and determinants of ethics. Okay. Now we are dealing with human values. Can you see the syllabus paper? Then you will find it. Human values. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the same question repeats. On a table, I have kept 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 and 2000 notes. Okay. I ask you to take any note of your choice. You can use it. What would you choose? Guys, simple question. There is nothing of complexity here. Can you hear? Hello, Anai.
Sir, repeat
Yes, sir.
again.
I kept a note of 10, 20, 50 and 2000 on a table. Okay. And you are there. And I ask you to take any note you want. No issues. What would you
2000.
choose? Okay.
Obviously 2000.
We will choose higher value, no? Which is of higher value. In the similar way, there are some values which we have. Okay. In this like example, equality is there, gratitude, tolerance, trust is there. Okay. For example, now what would you choose? Values serve as guiding principle. They will determine, you know, what kind of action you will take. Okay. Sometimes you believe being equal towards all students is important. Okay. Sometimes you believe someone has helped you. You want to provide, give them back the gratitude. Here, sometimes you believe being gratitude to showing gratitude to someone is more important than being equal. Yes or no? Okay. Here, the values are acting as a guiding principles. No.
Yes.
Got my point?
Yes, sir.
The value denotes the degree of importance of something or action, okay, which is a determining factor, which will tell us what is best to do. Okay. Yeah. Now, in these values, no, there are different types of values. For example, universal values are there, local values are there, situational values are there. Okay. We'll see what are universal values. Irrespective of what, wherever you are in the world, tell me something which everyone accepts it as good. Discipline.
Punctuality.
Yeah, discipline. Irrespective of anywhere in this world, everyone will accept it as good or not.
Good, sir.
Love. Love movies
Good,
doesn't
sir.
make only in India. Like not love.
Respect, sir, respect to parents.
Respect
and
is
elders.
okay, but respect to parents is not okay, widely accepted. Yeah. And peace, honesty, truthfulness, trust. These are some values, no, which are universally accepted. Okay. Irrespective wherever you are, you go to some new place, and if you are being truthful, okay, honesty, you are showing what? Honesty, you are showing love, peace, and compassion. People will obviously accept you, no, because you have some universal values. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, those are universal values. Now there are something called local values. What are local values?
Which are followed in that particular area or
Yeah, they are followed in particular area. Local values evolve with society and based on mutual agreements. For example, I told you, fish is what? Vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
non-vegetarian.
But still, Brahmins of what? Bengal will
yeah.
consider it as vegetarian, no? Eating habits. And everywhere the marriage traditions are same. Are the marriage traditions same?
So different. It's different.
Different people have different marriage traditions, no?
Yes, sir.
There might be something are very obscure. I have been to a marriage where what bride and what husband and wife will be there, no? Their parents will what? Lit cigarettes for each other.
Yes.
Okay, which is a practice. Okay. Now, rest of the society will think what other people will think, whether it is a universal value or what. It is not universal value, no. That is the reason why other people will criticize what kind of practice is this.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And then casteism, does it exist everywhere in this world?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No.
It is local value, no.
Yes, sir.
And this is also varying, no, in terms of what? If you are in a city, people even doesn't matter like which caste you are from. They might ask you a question of what you are doing. They might not ask you the question of what from which caste you are, which is like very limited. But if you are in a rural area, local area, what will happen? The question of which caste you belong to could be a immediate question. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, these are some local values. These local values understand which value they are determining of higher factor, no? See, In urban class is an important thing. Okay, where people will ask what job are you doing. If you are of higher salary and what of good position, people will tend to give you more respect or not. In urban areas,
Yes, sir.
in rural areas, caste is
Based
a
on
determinant factor, no, which is
Yes.
that is the higher value, no. For them, caste is 2000 note in local areas. Here in urban areas, for them, what class or what you are doing is 2000 note. And you are getting
Yes.
okay.
Sir,
Now
but casteism follows is being followed in every region.
every
No.
region in Africa,
No, it's not there. There is racism.
this is
Racism.
in Europe.
We follow their racism, actually. White and
Okay.
black.
Switzerland,
I don't think so there's anything.
Dubai.
Actually, I was thinking in the perspective of Indian religion.
Yeah,
No.
you're being confined. Look in a bigger perspective. Here, India is being local.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. Now, situational values. Now, some values depends on situations. Okay.
Yes.
Now, for example, a banker is there. Okay. Who knows that a person cannot be able to repay the loan, but still he will keep on calling you, sir, do you want a loan? Why does he do it? Because he might get bonus, because if he meets his target. Now what is he is valuing his own benefit. No, he's valuing his outcome of what, looking after his family, or like what, for economic mobility. That is more important to him. Okay. Now, for example, I gave you this example, no, where a person is hiding, a small kid is hiding behind a tree. Okay. People came up and asked you what, did you see the guy? Like what, kidnappers. Now, what would you say? Truth or lie?
Like,
You lie. Because you have some value of higher like what? Truth is of higher value, no, rather than lying. But because of the situation, what you will do? You're lying. Okay. In these situations, no, if I would say in this 10, 20, 50 and 2000 note is there. Okay. This 10 rupee note is of 1947. Okay. This is the first note RBI has minted. What happens? Which will you choose? In this OLX, no, this 10 rupees has value of like 50,000. What will you choose? 2000 or 10 rupees note?
so that 10 rupees.
See, situationally now your values has changed, no?
Yes, sir.
In the same way happens. Based on situation, you will change your values. Those are situational values. Okay. Now, there are something called cultural values. What are cultural values?
Which arises from culture, because of culture.
See, some people in society accept the cultural values because if don't agree, they will be isolated in that society. Okay. Have you heard of this Bora community where this female genital mutilation is done?
Khatna, sir.
Khatna. Khatna, I don't know exactly the word, but this is female genital mutilation for me, according to me. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, and okay, in this some cultures, guys. Okay, in some cultures, okay, there is something called what, women get beaten up before their marriage in some kind of religious celebration, okay, which is practiced in Africa. Okay. They experience this pain, but still they will do it. They'll show that this is their willingly, they will do it
Because of culture.
because they want to be part of the society. They don't want to get isolated. That is the reason why you have to see. Now 50 rupees is your what, divine thing, something called divine thing. Okay. and where your cultural what image is there, like what your locality's image is there, you are doing puja to it. Understand, this is a hypothetical situation. For you 50 rupees is a god. Okay, now I tell you 10, 20, 50 and 2000 is there. You daily worship 50 rupees note. What you might choose?
50 rupees note, sir. Of course.
Got my point? Cultural value. Because of force, you don't want to get isolated. That is the reason you will value something more than of your higher value. Because you don't want to get isolated from that culture. Okay? Okay. Now, there are something called intrinsic values and extrinsic values. Now, what is intrinsic and what is extrinsic?
So intrinsic is like hidden value, something.
Okay.
Extrinsic means which we can see, which is visible.
Okay. Now, any example you can give of intrinsic value and extrinsic value?
Sir, ये coin जो है अपना, that one.
No. Okay, now I'm asking in ethical perspective. Some action you do will get joy. Okay, for both these values, no, what you will get, any value if you are following, what you will get, you'll get good feel, self fulfillment. You'll give satisfaction. That is the reason why you will try to do it. It will reduce your what tension in your head. If you follow the wrong value, no, you will get this cognitive dissonance. You want to do something and you have done something, then you will feel some kind of pain in your head. That is cognitive dissonance. You want to minimize it as much as possible. Okay, now give me something as intrinsic value and extrinsic value. Now you hardly worked for a day and you earned 100 rupees. Okay, at the end of your day you buy an ice cream with it and you celebrate it. Now, okay, you are buying it and you are celebrating it, no? That is intrinsic. Okay, you are the cause of it and you are the end of it. Now, in that 100 rupees, no, you have donated 100 rupees to someone poor. Doing this also, you felt someone is very needy and you have given this 100 rupees to someone. Then also you'll get this joy, no? I have given to someone very needy. What is the source of your happiness? Someone else's happiness or not? Priya, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anai?
Yes, sir.
Got my point?
Great.
Yes.
Yes.
Your source of happiness comes from outside. Okay. Intrinsic, you are satisfying yourself through some action. Okay. Now we will see how these values are inculcated. By birth itself, we will not get these values. No, every value we won't get. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now there are the ways in which we will get these values, how these are inherited in us. Okay. Now to all the future parents, you will learn lessons now to how to deal with kids and how they will learn things. Okay, so give a what proper listening to it. Okay, now do you think in imparting values family is important? Okay, give me example how families create what values and how they build them, their conscience. Mansi, you're there?
Sir,
Yeah, Hannah. Yeah.
sir, I have a request that please share a PDF form which you teach us in today and past class, so
Okay,
we,
fine.
we can get a proper knowledge about all the things.
Okay, fine. I'll share at the end of the day. Okay. Cool. Hannah, is it okay?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Then how family imports values?
So first
How
of all,
the values of families are transferred into a kid?
So because they are 24 hours, they live in family, right? They stay with them. So it's visible for a kid.
How?
Whatever. So whatever
Parents,
a kid,
sir, parents also teach kids, and its impact on their child, whatever parents are doing.
First, inspiration.
And the environment also the cause.
Okay. Who is your
They
first hero and first,
thinking on
like what? While you are a kid, who is the biggest hero for you?
father.
For anyone, father or mother, their parents, or someone else in their family, they are their hero. What will you do when they are their hero? They are your hero. You try to imitate them. You try to imitate their actions. Okay. When they are your hero, what you'll do? You try to observe them. Okay. Children learn most values by observing their parents and elders. Okay. Parents इसलिए क्या करना चाहिए? They should act as role model for their children. They will only do what you're doing. They'll copy you. They'll not listen to you. They'll copy you. They should not lie or fight with each other before them. Understand? Parenting tip 1 for the future parents. They should not lie or fight with each other before them.
Right.
Okay. Now, this is the factor. First factor is inspiration. How do you get inspired? Like what? You get inspired because you see them as heroes. You see them as idols. Then you observe from them and then you repeat it. That is the reason why parents, kids will what? Always try to wear these elder slippers and all. Their actions they'll repeat. If they'll keep the phone next to them and they'll act like they are talking on phone. Nowadays trend, because their parents, they will be always on phones. Now they also want phones. They want to see the phones and they want to also say hello.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Whatever the parents are doing, the kids will do it. Okay. That is inspiration through which they'll get some values. Okay. Which is right and which is wrong. For them is what? Daily going at 9 o'clock, office is there. They'll see it and they'll observe it and they'll think, yeah, going to office is a good thing. That value will impart. No, you have to go out for work. They'll also try to wear your slippers and go out. Now, there is some other factor in which values are imparted from family. Anyone of you have a dog?
No, sir.
No. Yeah. There is something called appreciation.
Yes.
Okay. Many parents are good at criticism, but poor at appreciation. They must appreciate their children whenever they do good work. Appreciation से क्या होता है? What will happen because of appreciation?
We encourage
encouragement होता है,
Encouragement से क्या बढ़ेगा? Self image.
improvement होगा जो भी कर रहा है.
The way they look at themselves, उसको मजा आता है. They see that what I am doing good thing. उसको he will see his ego what his self will get built. उसका self image में he will keep doing it again and again. That is the reason why if someone is appreciated, they'll keep doing it. When they are kid, they'll do it for sure. अच्छा बेटा है ना, पानी लेके आओ. पानी लेके आएगा. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, I'll give you an example. Okay, this is a story. Who invented bulb? Bulb. First bulb. Yeah. Now, if you understand his story, how important appreciation is, you'll understand parenting tip number 2. Whenever your kids are doing something amazing, something good, always appreciate them. Minimize criticism. Okay. I'll tell you a story. Okay. One day Thomas Edison came home and gave a paper to his mother. Okay, one paper चिट्ठी लिख दिया था. Everyone understands Hindi here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, एक चिट्ठी दिया था.
Sir,
Then
I have
after reading
heard.
that, yeah.
मुझे ये story पता है sir.
Yeah. Okay, then it's good that Hannah shares to us. Yeah. Who knows this story?
सर मुझे नहीं पता.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Someone will share it. It's fine. I want this to be interactive. If someone speaks out, it's good.
Sir, may I?
Yeah. I'm asking you to.
Sir, the story tells about that boy who came at home and उसके मम्मी के पास एक चिट्ठी दिया कि वो स्कूल से ये हेड टीचर ने मतलब जो भी उनके क्लास का जो टीचर था वो उन्हें दिया है, तो वो लेटर पढ़ के वो मम्मी ने उनका मतलब रो दिया, तो वो बच्चा समझ नहीं पाया कि उसका क्या मतलब मीनिंग हुआ कि मम्मी क्यों रो रहा है। तो वो बच्चा फिर से मम्मी से पूछा कि क्या हुआ, तो उसका मम्मी ने उसको बोला कि मतलब एक टीचर ने कहा है कि आपके बेटा बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा मार्क्स कर रहा है, अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट कर रहा है, इसको आगे बढ़ने दीजिए, ये और आगे जाएगा। बट उसको वो लड़के को पता नहीं था कि वो सारे जो चिट्ठी में लिखा था वो नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट से लिखा था कि उसका कुछ नहीं होगा, उसका फ्यूचर एकदम डंप है, वो एकदम बकवास है, उसका कुछ नहीं
Okay.
होगा।
Yeah. Good. You got the story, no? I'll just
वो
repeat.
मम्मी ने उसको मतलब गलत साबित किया, वो लड़का जब वो बल्ब आविष्कार किया उसने,
Yeah.
डिस्कवर किया तो।
Okay. I'll tell you something. I'll
एंड
repeat the
देन
story.
वो 20 साल बाद जब वो चिट्ठी खोला था तो अपने आप वो रो लिया था कि उसका मम्मी ने भी सच छुपाया था, बिकॉज
Yeah.
उसके वो encouragement के लिए, उसका
Okay.
जो
Yeah. Good.
हो सकता है वो आगे रुक ना जाए।
I'll exactly read the words, okay, which is there in that letter. Okay. See, Thomas Edison came to his home and then gave this letter to his mother, and his mother was crying and then read out the letter. It was saying, your son is a genius. The school is too small for him and doesn't have enough good teachers for training him. Please teach him yourself. Karke, his mother read it out. Okay. After many years of his mother's death, one day he was looking towards his whole family things and he saw a folded paper on which it was written, your son is mentally ill. We won't let him come to school anymore. समझ में आया?
Yes. Yes. Sir.
Okay. Then Edison cried hours and then he wrote in his diary. This is important. Okay. Importance of what? Appreciation. Right. Understand this. Thomas Alva Edison was an adult child. Adult matlab mentally ill child. That by a hero mother became the genius of the century. Okay. The role family plays in creating values and creating a leader.
Yes.
Appreciation ka.
Yes.
Even at the times of what? उस समय his mother has a chance to punish him. What are you doing? School से complaint आया करके मार भी सकते हैं. Indian generally what happens normal day to day. That is the reason why he wrote, I am a mentally ill child. Because of a hero mother, I became the genius of the century. After his success, one day he found out the letter and he wrote these words in his diary. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. And now, what is the way? Another way in which what values are imparted to children through family? I wrote one: inspiration I told, appreciation I told, and then what else? Punishment. A child should know the difference between right and wrong since the early age. Okay. The younger the child, it is easier to mold the child to the right values. Have you heard of this word?
Yes.
You have to bend a tree while it is very as a plant. You cannot bend it as a tree. Have you heard this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, similar story. You might have heard about this thief story, you know. I'll repeat it. Okay. A young man has been caught in a what? Doing a theft. Okay. Then he was given this death sentence. Then he expressed his last desire to speak with his mother. When his mother came to him and he said, I want to whisper to you. Okay. When she bought this ear to him, no, he bite it as hardly as he could. To almost uska kya?
पड़ गया.
Now, The judge asked him, why did you do this inhuman conduct? Then he said, it is to punish her. When I was young, I began stealing little things and brought them home to my mother.
Right.
Instead of asking me and punishing me, she laughed and said, it will not be noticed. No one will get to know.
Mhm.
That is the reason why I am here today. So, if she has imparted that what taking away without permission is a wrong value, would he die today? Understand? Like it might look very small. There is a huge role. We might think our values as granted. हम इतना जान नहीं देता है कि how we got these values. If you understand, there is a huge role any family will play. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Mansi, Srishti, getting it? Getting it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Who is this
Yes.
dullness? Priya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm getting, sir.
Okay. And any other ways? Love. प्यार से भी कुछ कर सकता है ना. Love is an important factor, no? To what? Give you values. Whenever you recall of your grandfather telling you stories, इतना प्यार से मुझे बताता था what we should do. Anyone remember your grandparents? Then what happens if someone, you know that someone is loving you, then you will trust them more or not?
Yes, sir.
When you are trusting them, you believe whatever they do, whatever they tell is
Is
for
right.
your own benefit or not.
Yes, yes, sir.
Then that values they imparted will remain a strong image on you or not.
Yes.
That's it. And then what else? Support. Support कैसे support कर सकते हैं? Our
Emotion.
understanding support is there. Now tip number 3, अभी understanding का बताऊंगा, ठीक है? Every child is unique with his own unique quality and ability. मानता है या नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
Now, if we compare elephants with what? Tigers. Will it be any right comparison?
No.
Elephant is what? Largest mammal on earth. Tiger is a powerful animal. Both has their own distinct qualities, no? You cannot compare them, right? Now, that is the reason why you have to understand them. Do not compare them with others. Parenting tip number 3. Don't try to make them like you. Understand them and work for their best interest. उसके लिए जो अच्छा है वो दो. Whatever you understand that is right, you don't give it to them. समझ में आया? Guys,
Yes, sir.
Anay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then support. Support का वजह से क्या होगा? When children performs poorly, parents will often क्या करेगा? Humiliate them publicly. Instead, provide unconditional help and support to children at the time of their need. If your children are failing, understand them. Okay, don't publicly humiliate them. Give them unconditional help and support at the time of their need. If you do that, what will they have to do? Any values you give, they'll know, they understand me. They supported me in my tough times. I have to stand with whatever they said. They जो भी करेगा मेरा अच्छा के लिए करेगा. You'll get this sense or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now,
yes, sir.
can you, any of you can repeat what are the ways in which what family values are created?
Inspiration, appreciation, punishment, love, support, understanding.
Yeah. Good. Now, is it only what family which teaches you some values?
No.
What else? Initially, बच्चा पैदा हुआ, घर पे हुआ 3 साल, उसके बाद what happens?
School.
वो स्कूल जाने लगा तो वो सोसाइटी और मतलब बाहर से भी बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं, टीचर से, अपने दोस्त से।
ठीक है। अभी सी
सोसाइटी में इफेक्ट ऑन इट्स।
3 साल के बाद बगल वाला बच्चे से भी खेलेगा, ठीक है। उसका पेरेंट्स के साथ भी व्हाट he will interact with the other family members, not only what his own family, like what extended family ho, friends are there. Okay, yes or no? Now society is also have some values which will impart. He'll also goes to school also will impart some values, yes or no? Now what are the values which are imparted in school which are different from home, and what is the method in which school imparts values?
Sir, school is different from home, that it's provide a good sense of discipline, and कैसे आपको बड़े से बात करना चाहिए, वो तो घर में भी सिखा सकते हैं, बट जो फ्रेंड्स के साथ कैसे मतलब बॉन्डिंग होना चाहिए, पढ़ना कैसे चाहिए, और रेगुलरिटी, तो ये सब स्कूल से मिलता है जो घर में नहीं मिलता है।
Yeah, school teaches you discipline, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let
Yes,
me
sir.
ask you, Priya, what is the importance of educational institutions in creating values?
So they teach how to socialize with others, right?
Someone told, no, kids will always stay at home,
Mm.
ठीक है।
Mm.
किड्स 3-4 years तक तो घर में रहता है, ठीक है। उसके बाद 20 साल तक कहाँ रहता है?
School, colleges and all.
सुबह 9 बजे से 5 बजे तक
Mm.
स्कूल में ही तो रहता है।
Yes, sir.
They also have the equally important and even more importance, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and now they imbibe their values from schools and colleges, from their colleagues and teachers. Colleagues मतलब जो भी friends है उससे भी सीखेगा और teacher से भी सीखेगा। Okay, now type of values educational institutes must inculcate in children. Example, what values education should teach children? Initially बच्चा fight करेगा ना, cooperation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Cooperation to help each other instead of trying to pull down each other. Teach the value of cooperation and teamwork.
Sir,
Yeah.
not to tell lie.
Yeah, not to tell lie.
Always
Yeah, that is character and integrity is there. Okay, they should be truthful, punctual.
yes, sir.
Yeah, and then discipline. 9 baje you
Discipline
should
is
come to
also-
school. Okay, and then accountability. You have done some mistake, दूसरा पे तोपो मत. When teacher asks who tore this paper, don't show it someone else, show it yourself. मैंने किया, गलती मान लो. Don't make someone else what the scapegoat. Okay, accountability, cooperation, appreciation, discipline, these are the values some educational institution teaches children.
Sir,
Okay.
responsibility also.
Yeah, responsibility is also there. Now there is a case study of there is a study called marshmallow experiment. Okay, now like few kids are there in front of them, they have kept this marshmallows are like something like chocolates only. Okay, some food, very good food. Okay, then the teacher has asked the students like what, this is a study what Stanford has done. Okay,
So for willpower, it's something related to that.
yeah, related to willpower. Okay.
Yes, I have heard about that. Okay.
Okay, now they have kept this marshmallows in front of children. Okay, all are 4 to 5 years old, and they offered a deal that what, if they eat one marshmallow, no, okay, they can eat it, but until then if they eat it only after that teacher returns, they will be given 2 marshmallows. उसका प्राइस डबल होगा, मतलब जो भी अकेला एक marshmallow है, it will get double, he will get 2 marshmallows. Got my point, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what they observed was there are two group of people in that. Some people who ate their one marshmallow because of temptation, and they have found some people who waited for the teacher to come and ate the second marshmallow, like both marshmallows. Okay, the people who ate two marshmallows, matlab what, after waiting, no, they were more adjusted and they have been performing more in their college course, and they have low body mass index, matlab acha maintain, they are very fit. Got my point? Now, a child who was not able to practice, did not able to understand the what long term benefits, matlab immediate gratification. There is something called immediate gratification. What is this gratification? कितना लोग लेजी है, मतलब आई वांट टू स्टडी टुडे बट यू डोंट डू इट, यूट्यूब देखेगा, बाद में पढ़ाई करेंगे. Happens, no? Happens or not? Because not, you are not able to associate the long term benefit. Agar if you are able to crack, you might get a chance to what, enjoy free movies whenever you want to. What free movies matlab time milega to enjoy even more in your rest of your 60 years of life, like, or 50 years of life, whatever it is. But you will not be able to associate with it, and you only want satisfaction immediately. Yes or no? That is the reason why you postpone studying. Okay. Now, there is a story of Mahatma Gandhi. School. From school, the values are there, no? Something happened in Mahatma Gandhi school. Regarding copying. Anyone can recollect? Famous story. Priya, do you have an idea?
No, sir. No, sir. I have no idea about it.
Initially, when Gandhiji was in school, there was a what, inspector of schools coming. Okay. Then he gave 5 words for the children to write in order to test the quality of their learning. Okay. Then Gandhiji wrote 4 words correctly. He could not spell the 5th word, kettle. Okay. Then the teacher is there, no, the classroom teacher. He made a sign to Gandhiji, ki copy from the neighbor. He wrote it. Gandhiji ignored his signs. All other boys wrote all the 5 words correctly. Gandhiji wrote only 4. After the inspector left, the teacher scolded him. I told you to copy from your neighbor. Couldn't you even do that correctly? Everyone laughed at him. What happened here? Understand, if teachers are not moral, students cannot learn good values from them. वही है ना, the story which happened where the mother did not tell his son ki doing robbery is wrong. He has taken this wrong value throughout his life. Gandhi is lucky enough to understand it. If someone else copies it, no, then what happens? He will be impaired at his learning, no? He will be dependent. He will be copying again and again. पढ़ाई नहीं करेगा. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions you want to ask? Yes, any questions you want to ask? Before we shift from values, human values, to ethical dilemma. Okay. Shall we move to ethical dilemma? Mansi? Anai?
Yes, sir.
What is dilemma? Dilemma, you heard of this word, no?
So it's a state, confusing state where we are not able to decide which way to go, in which direction we should go.
Okay. In ethical dilemma is a decision making problem. Okay. Decision making problem. What to do? Decide. You are not able to decide between 2 or more possible moral imperatives, neither of which is मतलब both actions में कुछ right है कुछ wrong है, but you have to take one action. then you are in a dilemma, no? This is what you have faced, no, in the case study of this trolley. What to do? Okay. Now, ethical dilemmas are the situations in which there is a conflict between two or more moral values or principles, where you have to choose one of the ethical principle and give up the other. This you faced it during what? While protecting a kid from kidnappers, no? Like what? Two moral values are there. One is to protect life of a kid. Other one is truth. दोनों में dilemma था initially. Okay. And then ethical situations involves actions and decisions which are based on moral agents' choice and violation in which significantly affect other individuals. Matlab, you have gone through this case study of what? There is a noble laureate, two noble laureates are there, a drunken person is there. Yes or no? Remember that? Priya,
Yes, sir.
remember that story?
No, sir.
There is a drunken person is there. Okay.
Hmm.
Now you are a surgeon. Okay. तेरे पास दो noble laureates है who are having a problem with their heart and a kidney.
Hmm.
And this drunken person is there. You are like what? You are free from all
दिस केस आपने ये पहले भी पूछा था फर्स्ट
yeah.
क्लास में.
Yeah, this is what I'm asking. Now, in this significantly it is affecting other individuals, no? If you perform any action, you are a surgeon. If you kill that what person of what the drunken person, and then if you are saving those two noble laureates, here the drunken person's rights are at stake, no? If you are not saving noble laureates, the knowledge structure of the what world will be at stake, no? There is a dilemma, right? What to choose, even if you are free from all law. Can you able to decide? This is a dilemma, right? Okay. Now we'll see what are the causes of moral dilemma. Causes of moral dilemma can happen in three types, which is conflict of ethical principles. You'll conflict of ethical principles क्या है?
Sorry, sir, can you repeat it?
What are conflict of ethical principles? We understand what is moral dilemma. Okay.
Hmm.
We have seen ethical dilemma. Okay. Now we are trying to see what is moral dilemma.
Okay.
Now, ethical dilemma we understood like what? Many imperatives are there. Society क्या सोचेगा उसका हिसाब से you are always confused.
Hmm.
Like what? How it is affecting individuals, how it is affecting society, how people will judge you.
Hmm.
Okay. Now moral dilemma.
Sir, it is conflict inside us, right? Like what
Yeah.
we are thinking.
Okay. See the dilemma of prima facie principles. Prima facie means on face principles, no, like honesty, promise keeping, justice. In this only there is confusion. Honesty is breaking with promise keeping. Like what? See, you promised your brother that you will not tell your mother that what he broke a TV or something. Okay. At the same time, your mother is continuously asking you like who broke this TV. You want to be honest, at the same time you want to keep the promise. Dilemma, right?
Yes, sir.
That is moral dilemma. If you say truth, then your promise will break. Now you have to decide which is of higher importance value within yourself. Even after you're deciding, you will feel bad. Why I chose this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the conflict of ends and means. The same study I told, no, whether to give death certificate or not to the old lady whose husband has died. Okay. Okay, guys, are you able to listen, understand any questions, or we'll end the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, then we'll see other topics tomorrow, like what important theories and what lessons from what great leaders. Okay,
Sir, any book or something for this? I think.
I'll share you the PDF. You can go through it.
Okay, sir. No
Okay. Any questions, Priya, Hannah, Mansi?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Okay. Deepesh, there? Yeah, Hannah, anything you want to ask? Guys, someone
sir.
text me, no, from the group. I'll text you this material. You can post it in the group.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'm dropping my number here. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Bye. Good night.